Here nation people, watch me now. Every day upon the internet, I see some vlogger, come on, every day. When I not see him or a Terro Don and etc. All the man them there for. This man, this Vybz cartel. This man, this Vybz cartel. That man, this Vybz cartel. But the blood clot, I don't know the whole of dance all I try for this Vybz cartel, my brother. We don't know what them is all about. So there is just a bunch of show pony. No gimmicks thing not there about it. All them are doing, you know. I highlight them all look. We never run out and say nothing. When Siva this intense. We don't soon run out and say nothing when Savage this him. But all of a sudden intense this Vybz cartel. Him can this Vybz cartel. Make I flip this bomb bucklers. Hey, don't get serious, you know. Because they even no joke thing, you know. But they even know what I feel like when I do. Eh? Eh? I'm never run out and violate Siva. I'm never run out and violate Savage. Eh? You know, no. Him drop him song an hour ago. And in no time I Terro Don the first man I run out with review. Intense. Don't forget this, you know. It's a legend, you know. That, you know. When the man them, you know, pull up, you know, up in front of the gate, you know, and a film, you know, the video, you know, for skate on them and don't forget, you know, it's alleged, you know, that you tear down the whole of the back fence and cut down, you know, and have Terro Don, you know. The people them say, you know, come out on the internet, you know, and I talk about police want you for questioning, you know, after run your runway, you know. Yes, what I say? Don't forget that, you know, that I know you know come clean up that, you know. You have Terro Don I put out video I talk about this Vybz cartel. You can this Vybz cartel? Eh? Eh? Yo, in claim this Vybz cartel and jahshii and sikka rhyme. But here we are going. Me personally know you can't challenge jahshii on the stage. I know jahshii well want flick your dopey back too. You see what I say? Yeah, I know say dopey back like you and jahshii want because him not rate you none at all. And it's funny, a Terro Don live jahshii go up on straight and make him know that, and make the whole Jamaica know who he is, make them know say use a boy will lock up in the house just a smoke cigarette and a peep at the window, you know, go road him not have no respect nor rating, see you. Remember that, you know. That's what I say. I see him Terro Don, you know. See him Terro Don, you know. Himself, you know. Blood clot, you know. I like that, you know. Just remember that, you know. And Terro Don live, you know. Here's what I say. jahshii, you know. Water down in badness, you know. That's what I deal with. But we are going to see. Because we are going to want jahshii for attack. You know what I mean? Because we are going to want to see the extravagant. Because some boy man uncle can run them mouth, you know. Ponderous cloth internet, you know. Or in them song, you know. That's what I say. But it's when it come on to the real meal, even the only feel. I don't know if them boy are ready for it, you know. But me certainly know jahshii would have want to bust out him head. I know that because jahshii not really dig him. Periodly. That's what I say. You no joke shit not dead about it. So when you talk about him, this Vybz cartel, I laugh, you might have the whole of dance all I laugh, my brother. Intention and an artist to dance for Vybz cartel. And for this Vybz cartel, so what? Me here you talk about what a pum thing you talk about. Eh? Intense to just get a youth. A what do you get a youth? Eh? And remember when I look at underage girl come on and I say, well then, him. knock her up. Remember, you Terro Don, you know, run out on it, you know, and I try to clean up him name, you know. Just remember that, you know. So, it alleged that I party. But here, me I say, although I party.
Yeah, I've already showered this.
Although I party, here, me I say, make certain him ready for whatever him want get into. You see what I say? Yeah, because a 7 you Vybz Kartel have, him still have to play catch up. And if you look Bumbleclaw 2 days ago, you will see Vybz Kartel you them with the one of the cleanest blood clot video pan the blood clot internet for the whole entire blood clot month. And see how the youth them clean like whistle and a dominate and a win. So you'd have to know, say, you can't bring gallus thing to them blood clot man there. Because you are not top gallus. You see what I say? Remember I said them man they are top blood clot gallus. When money not have to spend, them man they are naturalists. And when gal kills, them get captured quick. You see what I say? Man like you have to spend your money. Remember, you know, you know, as an artist, you know, where dust bust, you know, for sure your fright here is. Your dust bust as an artist, and I get some highlight. And before you go look some local preps, not say me I disrespect no girl, you know, but I rebel you run to for highlight. You're not a star, my brother. A rebel affair run you down if you're a star and you have some local preps, some local filly whenever you even touch yet. And you're the first jockey we are going to slap with that. You see what I say? As a young youth like that. You see what I say? You don't know blood clot marks, man. You just a local apprentice where I slip 7 pounds. You can't talk to Vybz Kartel no day, no time at all. Yo, it's like I miss the blood clot place, you know. Where the blood clot place, yeah. Like I miss this fucking place. Yeah, nation people, I want to buy a present for somebody and forgot that blood clot place. But here I go, I go find out where the fuck I go. Oh, maybe I just say, you know. Yeah! Bumbleclaw Terro Don. I run on. After him drop song, I come talk about him this Vybz Kartel. And him this jahshii. Me personally know. Say jahshii, I go on flick your blood clot dopey butt. It's not a dope boy that. You see what I say? You know what? I go and clock in on the job nation people and left that thing until my ass clock in. I come sort out. What I sort out. But anyway, Terro Don, tell intence say, yo, if him a go war, we are going to see the war with him and jahshii on stage live. I remember said the man them said them a square off a sting. December 26. Me personally, all of my money depend on jahshii. Because him can't war jahshii. Me not think him animated style can work. It sounds like it belongs down at Disney World, Universal Studio, Alvin and the Chipmunks them. Me not think him can manage jahshii. You see what I say? No gimmicks business in the game. And when you call Vybz Kartel name Terro Don and Becky with the grey hair, though you was no apprentice where slip blood clot 7 pounds and call up the general blood clot name. You hear that? You see what I say? No gimmicks thing in the game. No do them thing that my brother. It's like you discriminate dancehall. That you do. It's like you put a trail bike to a look of blood clot. A look of bicycle with training wheel on it. Yo, it's a handicap match that. Vybz Kartel intence. All that blood clot sound. That's a handicap match. Nobody going. In space a second, him knock the fuck out, KO him, who match over. Who are gonna watch them match there? That is like cruelty. That is like cruelty to dumb animal. Blood clot, you can put up big 60 caliber blood clot machine gun Vybz cartel against blood clot intence with blood clot. One pop. Something wrong with you? Oh, what's wrong with these blood clot man on the internet? Yo, now cut the fucking monarchy out, my brother. Go size up with him blood clot size. The last time him try size up with skillet, then him drop crocodile teeth and lost him blood clot. You see what I say? Yeah. So nobody believe say you can use Terro Don to come out and do no blood clot highlight by your name. When you have blood clot chance stand disrespect you. You never forward out. You see what I say? Savage disrespect you. You never forward out. And jahshii disrespect you. Same pan Terro Don interview. Jahshii disrespect you. I will never see you forward out. Who will build up your courage now, boy? Somebody build up your courage? Okay. No worry yourself. Gaza not do handicap match. You hear that? So don't even try to call the boss name, because guess what? You just start. You see me I say, use a local apprentice where does a sleep 7 pounds. A 7 youth the boss gone already. I catch up your play. You see what I say? So just continue play your catch up and ease your damn self, and we're gonna wait and see how jahshii destroy you. Because I don't say him now have no respect, no at all for you. So when you're dead and I call world boss name, I fuck you not dead here though, because world boss na fight handicap match. It's like cruelty to dumb animal. You hear that, Terro Don? You hear that, Terro Don? Yeah, like for the world boss, for clash intence, it's like cruelty to dumb animal. Or the general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent. What? Yeah, nation people. Oh.